What's up, YouTube? It's Danny back with another video. Today, pretty cool unboxing. I recently got a credit increase with my Amazon store card, and went to go play some games the other day on my very old and aging gaming PC. I think I built it in 2017, and it's 8 years old. And it was so nice when I built it. I spent a lot of money, first of all, but it's got, as it stands right now, it's got a 7th gen i7 processor, 2 terabyte SSD, no big deal there, 32 gigs of RAM. I think it's DDR4, pretty sure. Yeah, DDR4 3000 megahertz, but a 1080 Ti GPU, and that's where it's really, I think, between obviously the CPU and the GPU, it's struggling, but especially the GPU, the 1080 Ti that I've had as long as I've had the computer built, because I built this thing myself, it is starting to not be able to display all 3 displays. I have 3 monitors. They're all 144 hertz curved MSI monitors. I've had them since I've had the PC built, but it's having trouble displaying the 3rd one. It displays the first 2, so the one on the left and the one in the middle, no problem. But the 3rd one, the one on the right, that I use for monitoring my stream when I stream on Twitch, it has trouble displaying it. I have to reboot the computer for it to work. But then rebooting the computer takes 20 minutes. It's just getting old, and I've done a clean install of Windows 10 and everything. It's just the components are aging. It's aging. So I have a solution for now until I can have the funds to build a new gaming PC. I got a credit increase on Amazon, as I said at the very beginning. So we are going to open up this. This is the ASUS ROG Strix G16, I believe is what it is. I'm going to go ahead and open it out of the box, and then we're going to film in the light box, which is why I have it on, and go from there, just because this is a very weird angle. I don't have a table in front of me, so I can't just point the camera down. But this was a Prime Day deal back during Prime Day, I think in July, and it went on sale again, I noticed, because normally it's $14.99. I think I paid $12.79 or something like that. So we are just going to carefully, I'm going to go ahead and set it in the box, and then I'm going to take it out of the box and just show you guys real quick, and then we'll film in the box as well. This is a really, really nice box. Really thick cardboard. Shout out to ASUS. Ooh, I know you can't really see it, but it lifts. It lifts the laptop up when you put the lid back all the way. That is really nice cardboard engineering, not gonna lie. So here is the actual laptop, and yes, it's thick and heavy. It's like 5.5 pounds. Quite nice. The cool thing about this model is it has a toolless entry on the bottom, so if you need to upgrade the RAM, add more storage, you can do all that just by hitting a lever on the bottom. It's very nice. So definitely like that. And of course, it does a lot of RGB lights, which was a huge selling point for me, not gonna lie. So very nice, very, very thick, very big. Yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and set it up, and I'm gonna show you guys what it's like. Real quick, you saw that again? This is the metal part lifted up as well. So you got, for those who dare, I think it's just paperwork. This came with Battlefield 6 that's coming out soon. I don't care about that game at all. I'm gonna sell that code. And then obviously the power adapter, very nice, including an ASUS proprietary plug, which I like. That way it doesn't take up a USB-C port, and that way it's not a stupid barrel. There's still manufacturers who make the barrel shaped AC adapters. I mean, was this the 90s? Shout out to ASUS for not doing that. I hate those things. Anything in here? No. Okay. Okay, so here is the ASUS ROG Strix G16. It is set up. I've got my Microsoft account logged in, and currently it is charging. As you can see, it's got a sort of animation going across, which I like a lot. Also, I have to remember that I'm holding the microphone because I just did this, and I probably sounded far away. Apologies for that. Still getting used to the setup. Anyway, let me set the microphone down right here. And what we're going to do is power on the machine. Well, wake it up, I guess. It's already on. So I've got some games already downloaded. I've got Windows Hello. It's good to go, as you can see. I do have Final Fantasy and Power World already installed. Call of Duty is installed. Okay, I was just checking. So, and I've already tested some games on this thing. But it's very nice. It's very nice indeed. I actually already modified the color of the RGB lights on the keyboard and that go all the way around the perimeter. So, yeah, this was really just a quick unboxing and setup, which I really didn't set up on camera just because there's a lot of private information, you know, with a Microsoft account and with my Steam account, my Xbox Live account, and all the other accounts, Blizzard account, all that stuff. So, we will get obviously more detailed about this computer soon, including I do want to do a video on the RGB lights and how to customize them, set them up. I want to do tests on how Cyberpunk runs. Just real quick, just so you know, Cyberpunk runs amazing on this computer. I've already tried it. I do want to do some benchmark tests. So all that's coming up on this new channel. If you're from my old channel, welcome back. I'm glad you're here. And if you're new, welcome. We're starting a new chapter. 2025 has been weird for me in YouTube, so just kind of doing something new, different, and also trying to go back to my old roots. When I started YouTube years ago, my original channel was supposed to be a tech channel, and it was for a while. It veered off and then something else, and now I've got YouTube drama with that. So, that topic's not for this channel. Don't worry about it. Not a big deal. I'm just starting over fresh with a fresh mindset and all that stuff. So thank you all so much for watching. More to come. Stay tuned. We're definitely going to get more videos out of this thing. A ton more videos. And I will link this right below with my Amazon affiliate link. It is on sale currently as the time that I'm recording this video. You also can get a free copy of Battlefield 6 if you buy this model or other models listed on Amazon. You'll see that it's marked in the listing that Intel is offering. I think it's Intel Gamer Days or something like that. Intel Game Days, whatever. You get a free copy of Battlefield 6, which I will not be using. Anyway, thank you all so much for watching. More to come. Stay tuned, and I'll see you all in the next video. Take care.